My name is Johnny Hernandez. I'm the general manager here at JJH Auto Body. I'm pretty much in charge of overseeing almost all operations here, along with my dad, who oversees the owner of the company. I'm pretty much in charge of estimate writing, part ordering, coordinating new work with the technicians, also back office work like accounting and bookkeeping is stuff that I'm in charge of. I got into automotive only because my dad was already in it before. I didn't really thought I was gonna fall into it. I was in banking, and when we moved to Utah, Salt Lake City, my dad opened up the shop and asked for my help to help run it. So we didn't have any experience in it, but he had a lot of technical experience. So we figured, hey, let's try it out, and that's how I kind of got into it. When I was a kid growing up, my dad worked for another body shop, so we didn't do any like working together. Only on the weekends he did sometimes have maybe like a side job and some like, hey, get this bumper painted or whatnot, and he was able to do some work like around the house, so that was pretty cool. And he would have me on the weekends, on Saturdays. So I did have a little of that growing up with him, but as I got older, once I turned 18, he moved to Salt Lake. I stayed in LA until fate brought us back together and started working together when we opened JJH. JJH is located in Salt Lake City. We're on 1039 South Redwood Road. We've been here for about 15 years now since we started the company, so we really enjoy this market. It's a beautiful market to work in, and it's open and diverse, and I'm really happy to be part of this community. I can see that there's a lot of areas of opportunity for us to continue to grow. I probably don't have enough space to do it all here, which is hard to believe now. So definitely I see the future for the company as probably having another location or two where it can probably specialize on other stuff that we learned to do here. I'm hoping, God gives us health, in about 3 to 5 years, we're already looking at that second location to continue the growth. I'm really happy, and I also feel honored and privileged to be able to work with a team of like-minded individuals. Our team here, everyone, young or old, they're all eager to want to grow. So I think that there's no I in team. So if it wasn't for everybody that's here with us, we can't make this dream happen. So I'm really grateful for them to be in this great country too. Not everyone has the opportunities that we have, so we gotta take advantage and not squander the opportunity that we have. And automotive industry it's a good business to be in. It's very lucrative if you know how to do things right, stay organized, stay trained, and I think there's plenty of work to go around so that other people, future generations, can continue to do this.